Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with my base box Boxycharm. It actually came today, October 9th. I can't believe it. I almost fell over. So this is the base box. This is the $25 a month box. It is $125 worth of value. For $25, you get to choose one customizable item every month, and you get 5 to 6 full-sized products. I believe it's usually about 5. And what else is there? So yeah, this is the base box, 25. I have a referral code. I get 500 charms if you use my referral code. We talked about this in the last video. If you want to use my code, thank you. If not, go to boxycharm.com and sign up there. So let's see, for the on my eyes, this is a sneak peek for tomorrow's look. This is for the October birthstone collab that we do, and the birthstone is tourmaline and opal. So this was the look that I came up with, and I used the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette for these pink shades, and then the lid shade is this Stila Little White Lies in Fuchsia Fiction. Really made it a pretty look, I think. And then on my lips, I have the Persona lip gloss in Toffee. So that's it. And then let's see what we got in the box. I just cracked the seal. Like I said, it just came this morning. This is Boxycharm Candy Shop. Save the date. Enjoy exclusive member-only discounts in our online pop-ups. Start your holiday shopping when all access opens November 10th. Oh, so that's like next month. Okay. First thing out of the box here, this was a choice item. I picked this one because the choices, I didn't really know what to choose, so I just chose this. This is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. And this is $40, and it says it's a multitasking cleansing exfoliant, an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times per week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. So that sounds nice. $40. We already made our money. Next thing here. Don't care, don't want to see. Told them I don't wear lashes, but yet they send me lashes. So these are Lava Lashes Charm Faux Mink, $19.99, lightweight and fluffy, handcrafted luxury lashes. Our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. $19.99. I'm pretty sure, you know, like, they don't go by the profiles, because obviously if they did, they wouldn't send me lashes. Next up here, the box is open. This is the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. These are $60. It says illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new soft focus glow drops. This skincare / makeup hybrid is the next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the skin, brighten the complexion, and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. $60. Wow. That's some expensive stuff. It's a really nice glass frosted bottle. Let's see what they look like. It doesn't really look like anything. I mean, it looks like my hand's wet. Like it has something on it that I don't really see any kind of glow coming off of it though. It just seems like a serum to me. So maybe that's what it is, a serum. I don't know. We'll have to check it out, test it out, and see what we can find out. Next up here is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bee face palette. This is like the third face palette that we've gotten in like a few months. I only have one face here, people. So this is $32. It says Nesting Bee Face Palette offers a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and creamy glowing highlights. These must-have buildable shades deliver great color payoff and blend out like a dream. They're developed for a wide range of skin tones and perfect for contouring your face. So this one looks like it's been swatched here. I don't know if you can see that. Something's been in there. I don't know. It just came just like this. It didn't have a protector or anything in it. So I don't know if fingers have been in this or what. I'll have to see what other people are saying about this. So that's $32. And the last item in the box is from Sol de Janeiro. This is their Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter. Probably butchered that name. So this is a tinted lip butter, and this is $20. And what shade is this? Soulmate, maybe? Is that what it is? I think that's the shade, Soulmate. Oh, it's a cute little, looks like they're other things. Okay, no lips have been on this one. Let's see. That, I guess you can see like a bit of a sheen or a glow from that rhodiola. It feels kind of sticky though, so I don't know that you'd want that all over your face. So let's try this here. Yeah, very, very light, so anybody could use this and be happy with that. It's not too dark, so I think I will like that. And is that it? I always want more, but that's it for this month. So let's see what the total value for the box is. $172 value for 25 bucks. So that's a pretty good value. One item is an item I totally will not use, so that does bring the value down a little bit, but still not a bad deal. I think that, you know, just, I mean, this right here is $40. So, and I do like to have AHA, BHA, and to have it in a cleanser is nice, and it's hydrating. We'll test it out, the Soft Focus Glow Drops, the Lip Kiss. I know I will use that, and we'll see about the Resting Bee Face palette, if that's a finger mark in there or if that's just, I don't know what. So that is the October base box for Boxycharm. I'm still waiting for my premium box, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to cancel the Luxe box. So on those months, I'll just get the base box instead of the Luxe. I don't really think it's worth $25 at this point. I think most of their focus is going with the premium box at this point. I've been a little bit disappointed in the past few Luxe boxes, so I think I'm going to cancel that and then just get a base box on those months that the Luxe box comes. And then if like something happens and there's something amazing that I think I have to have, I can probably actually buy it in the pop-up. So that is going to do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Make sure to click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And if you're one of my returning watchers, thank you so much for coming back. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.